Isang bagong muka ang haharap sa pambansang entablado ng pageantry matapos opisyal itanghal ang singer at model na si Adela May Marcial bilang kinatawan ng Muntinlupa para sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Sa isinagawang sashing ceremony at press presentation, formal na sinimulan ni Marcial ang kanyang paglalakbay patungo sa national competition, kasama ang suporta ng lokal na organisasyon at ng kanyang mga taga-suporta. Ipinakilala siya sa media hindi lamang bilang beauty queen aspirant, kundi bilang isang international model na may dalang karanasan, disiplina at global exposure.
Being Miss Muntinlupa 2026 is so special to me. One of the beauties of Muntinlupa is that it's kind of a duality. Right? As someone who is biracial and grew up with two cultures, I feel that I also have this tension between me, but they complement each other, both for myself and for Muntinlupa. So it feels that there's really this affinity between myself and the place that I represent.
Nagpasalamat naman si Marcial sa pagkakataong kumatawan sa lungsod at sinabing layunin niyang maging inspirasyon sa mga kabataang nangangarap makapasok sa international stage. Matatanda ang naging finalist siya sa Asia's Next Top Model Cycle 6 kung saan nakilala ang kanyang presensya at profesionalismo, mga katangiang inaasahang dadalhin niya sa darating na kompetisyon. Ngayon, bit-bit ang pangarap ng kanyang lungsod, sisimulan ni Marcial ang mas matinding paghahanda para sa laban sa minimithing corona.
Sometimes you win and sometimes you learn. And I feel that both of those opportunities were amazing for my personal growth, but they also taught me a lot about going forward and what it really means to compete with your heart. And I feel that taking that into Miss Universe Philippines gives me a deeper sense of purpose.